This is peppery, it's spicy, it's Indian, it's delicious. I love it. We've got a kind of beef fry on the go today, so it's not a big curry, you know, it's not really sort of wet, fairly dry. Onions in are cooked, and then raw onions at the end, plus all that beautiful ginger there, raw at the end. Delicious stuff. Plenty of pepper, did I mention that? Wow, wow, welcome back to How to Cook Ray. So what you're looking at there is 500 grams, or just over a pound of beef, cut into kind of fairly small pieces, as you can see, nothing too big. What we're going to do is we're going to add a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Let's just take a look here what we've got. We've got 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 coriander, 1 green cardamom powder, 2 chili powder, in that goes. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fresh chili. Now I'm putting mine in whole, and there's quite a lot here. There's about 10, I think. You can reduce that down if you want. 2 cups of onion sliced. And then some oil. I'm using 100 ml of coconut oil. You could use a different oil if you want. Right, I've got a glove on. You can see I'm going to go in. I'm going to give this a little mush up. Back in a moment. So in my pan here, I've got some more oil, another 100 ml of coconut oil. You can reduce this down if you want, but I think it really works wonders in it. 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 4 green cardamom, and 3 dried red chili. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing. And then we're going to take our beef mixture and we're going to get it all in there. Just scrape in the bowl here where it's congealed. Medium heat, 8 to 9 minutes, stir often. Now that is looking really, really good. Next up, we're going to add 1 cup of tomatoes. Now the tomatoes that I've got here, fresh tomatoes, I put them into my food processor. If you're not going to do that, just chop them really, really small. Now we're going to continue for another 8 or 9 minutes on this medium heat, and again stir, every now and then. Beautiful. And that's it, really lovely. Now look, I used quite a good quality beef, so it's going to be cooked really nicely for me. If you didn't, you can cook it further. Okay, off goes the heat. There's 3 more things that's going to go in. We're now going to add 1 cup of raw onion at the end, again sliced. Ginger, which I've cut into sticks like that. Do it thinner if you want. Cilantro or coriander, like a cup of that. Check it for salt. We're going to give that a mix and serve. Really, really delicious. I love this one. And there we go. Look, I like to eat that. Just grab that with some roti, chapati or something and eat away. Really delicious, beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.